Welcome back. Welcome to the new series Google ADK. So, I'm preparing this whole playlist, a series of videos for the people who are beginners in AI and who want to explore more on AI. Might be they have little bit experience on using other frameworks like a semantic kernel or very popular LangChain, and they want to enhance their knowledge with Google. And for someone who is already having experience with other technologies. They just want to start with their AI career. Their aspirations is more into AI engineering stuff. So for them, this whole series will be very helpful. Actually, I'm learning while I'm doing videos. I'm learning it because the whole Google ADK launched last year. So personally, I'm also trying multiple things before I'm presenting in front of you. Before we jump into the implementation part, let's understand a little background story of ADK. Google ADK or Google Agent Development Kit, which got launched last year during April, I think in Google Cloud Next 2025 uh, program. And the as like other frameworks like a LangChain or semantic kernel, Google ADK is useful for developing AI agents. It could be a simple agent or multi agent systems. These agents can reason, use tools, call APIs, and search on the web and give the answers. Just like other frameworks, the features are same. But why Google ADK is different from other frameworks? Personally, I have tried LangChain as well as semantic kernel. I felt Google ADK is much simpler than these two frameworks because of lesser code and clean architecture. It has a native integration with Gemini because Gemini is Google own model. However, we can use other models also. It is just not restricted with Gemini. If you want to use other LLM models like GPT or Mistral, you could use Light LLM. We will speak about all this in coming episodes. I just want to give you know why Google ADK. And anytime if you want to develop an agents, there are multiple features we have to add while developing agents, like agent definitions, tools, memory, runners, workflows. Likewise, what we do in semantic kernel, we use all these topics in ADK also. We can develop a live agents also. Using Gemini, you can using ADK, you can develop a live agents, and it is very impressive. We can develop a voice agents, we can develop a video agents, we can do multiple things. We will speak about it in coming episodes. And future opportunities with Google ADK. Before we learn anything new, we want to ask ourselves a question: what is the future of it? I'm investing 30 minutes of time into this every day, but what is the outcome of this? If we understand, if we convince ourselves with the answer, then we can invest our precious time into this, right? Google already invested no multi millions or billions into the autonomous workflows and AI automation platforms, right? And this means many enterprises will definitely adopt into these new frameworks. Companies have already started developing multi-agent system through semantic kernel if they are into Azure or just Azure AI SDKs. But already in many multiple enterprises, they have started exploring on Google ADK. Adopting or learning Google ADK earlier gives you opportunities to enter the market earlier. So adopt to any technology earlier. Very less people know about ADK now, but in future, every enterprises will be interested in ADK. So if you adopt it now, you could crack this earlier. So again, this If you learn this, you could target AI engineering roles, you could target enterprise architect roles, and multiple things. Now, without further ado, let's start with an implementation, and I will walk you through different phases of it. Now, welcome again.